You can go to virtualbox.org or you can Google it to get to the website. Let us Google it. Here is google.com. Enter VirtualBox and hit search. Let us click the second link as it takes us to the home page. Okay, here is the VirtualBox website. We have a download page link on the left side menu, and of course we have a big blue button that says Download VirtualBox 5.2. Both will take you to the download page. Click on the Download VirtualBox 5.2 button on the home page. Here is a download page. From this page, you can download VirtualBox binaries, VirtualBox source code, access user manual, access prior builds. Depending on your computer OS, click the appropriate link to download the package. We will download the Windows package for this demo purpose. Locate the downloaded VirtualBox executable file to start the installation. This is the initial window. Click the Next button. Here are the components being installed. You can leave them default. By default, the VirtualBox software is installed into C program files, Oracle, VirtualBox folder. You can use the Browse button to install to your custom location. Accept the default and click the Next button. On this screen, accept the defaults and click the Next button. During the install, the network connection will be reset as the message on the screen. Go ahead and accept that and click S to proceed. Here is the final screen before the installer starts the installation process. Click the Install button. If you see a user access control prompt, click S. For the Windows security prompt, click Install. Here is the last screen showing you that the installation is complete. Click the Finish button. That's it. As you have seen, the installation itself is pretty easy and straightforward. Just accept the defaults and you will be done with it. Okay? That's it in this video, and in the next video I will walk you through the VirtualBox interface. See you there.